مدارس الطالب الذكي. القرآن حياتنا نحو جيل إسلامي أمثل.
Hello, my smart students. How are you today? Today our lesson is about the letter sound ing. Let us start. Ing. Say it. Very good. Ing. Let us read words. K, I, ing, king. Read it again. Excellent. King, king. I, ing. Ring. Read it. Great. Ring, ring. I, ing. Sing. Read it again. Very good. Sing. Wa, I, ing. Wing. Read it. Well done. Wing, wing. Wa, I, ing. Swing. Say it again. Excellent. Swing, swing. O, ing. Strong. I am strong. Say it again. Great. I am strong. Strong. Say it again. Ing. Ing. Very good. So my students, it's the time to say goodbye for you and see you later, inshallah, in the writing lesson. Bye bye.